Welcome to the Spectrum Fit YouTube channel. Are you a personal trainer who is confused about how to go online and become an online health and fitness coach? Well, I'm gonna crush that confusion and show you the top 5 apps that you need to be using if you wanna go online. All right, so let's get straight into it. So number 1 is Calendly. This is a booking app. Essentially, what it does is it allows people to book in on your diary so that you can have a one-to-one sales call. You can do client review calls. You can do consultation calls. This is really, really powerful. If you are an online health coach, you need some kind of scheduling system because you don't want to be in a position where you're in the DMs or you're having a back and forth conversation with someone and you're like, okay, can you do 12 o'clock this time, 5 o'clock this time? No, nice and professional. Here's my calendar, book in at a time that suits you. Bosh, it's all done. It's gonna make your life 10 times easier when you use a software like this, and I use this in my business right now and it's very, very powerful. Comment below if you'd like me to do a tutorial video on how to actually use Calendly and the best systems. And one of the best things about this is if you are busy, you can manage how many calls you want to take per week, how long the calls are going to be. You can control how far ahead people are allowed to schedule calls with you. I would advise you keep it nice and short because you don't want no-shows. All of this is very, very, very important. So Calendly, get it right now. The next app is Trainerize. It doesn't really matter what coaching app you use, but I'm gonna go for Trainerize because it allows for integration with Zapier, which means that your coaching program will be a lot more scalable. You'll be able to scale this coaching business because if you are getting a lot of sales calls and you are selling a lot of programs, you can automate the onboarding process. So the opportunity to scale your business with Trainerize is a lot higher compared to most other apps because a lot of them don't have integrations. However, I started coaching using Google Sheets. So I don't want you to get too bogged down in the apps, but app number 2 is Trainerize. Oh, and I forgot to add, you can handle a group chat in there. You can also message your clients personally, so you don't have to have their phone number or WhatsApp. You create your coaching programs and you can deliver nutrition coaching all within one app. And that is really, really powerful. The third app is called Loom. For me, this is probably the most powerful app out there just because Loom allows me to record my screen and create short videos. This is very, very powerful, especially with coaching. This is how I do my weekly check-ins. So I record my screen, my clients' answers are on the sheets and I'll be just giving them feedback, telling them what to do next week, so on and so forth. If I'm having meetings back and forth, but someone needs a quick answer, I'll record a demonstration of how to fix something, how to do something. So Loom is very, very powerful. It's free, but the recordings are only up to 5 minutes. And if you want to take it really further, then you can pay. It's well worth it in my opinion. Loom is probably hands down one of the most critical apps any online health coach is going to need. Number 4 is Stripe. For me, Stripe is super necessary. And the reason I say this is because you do not want to be taking payments through manual direct debits or manual bank transfers, standing orders, stuff like that. You are running a professional coaching business. So Stripe is going to help you come across as more professional. You'll have all your coaching links and payment links set out. It's just going to allow you to provide a higher standard of coaching. And also it allows you to process payments a lot easier and a lot quicker, especially when you start to deal with international clients. It's a higher level to deliver your coaching service. Another great thing about Stripe is it integrates with Zapier, it integrates with email, and all of those little features are really, really good if you want to start to build out your own fitness empire. You want to manage missed payments. You want to make sure invoices are created automatically. People get sent their receipts. All of this is really, really critical. Plus, when it comes to tax, it's a lot easier and everything's laid out in front of you. And to further add to that, it's cheaper than PayPal and it's not as technical as Go Cardless. Simple. And my final piece of software, this is a short video, so hopefully you find it effective, but my final piece of software is Jotform. Now, people might say, why not Google Forms? Why not Typeform? Typeform, their free features are not good enough. Jotform for a free service is amazing. And if you pay for it, it's even better. But Jotform is really, really good. It integrates into a lot of things. It has its own integration, so you don't even need to connect it to Zapier. Jotform is a powerful, powerful piece of software. You have the option to create legal documents which people can sign. You can create your terms and conditions in there. You can put your PARQ forms in there. For me, Jotform is one of the most important parts of my business. It even has its own email marketing type of software within it. For me, Jotform is a game changer. I think it's better than Typeform. It's better than Google Forms. So my advice is to sign up to Jotform. And those are the 5 things that you need. Literally, you don't even need a website. those 5 things there, you can start coaching and you will be an amazing online coach just by using those systems. And it will also help increase the value of what you have to offer because you're able to work at such an efficient rate. And these are just the 5 basic softwares you need right now to get started as an online coach. And all of these have a free version, so you don't even need to pay for software, not yet anyway. Comment below and tell me, what software are you using currently and what one are you going to use out of what I've just showed you. And if you need any more help, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel because I've got so many videos coming. Let's go.